This is the one. So we are in the hotel now. I don't know. It looks like an old style of the mountain view. Thank you. Elevator. It's a 3-star hotel, but it's okay. Tada! We did not shower yet. We're gonna eat breakfast. Yeah, for me and my daughter. There you go. Ayun yung salamin. Munti ko pang maiwan jacket ko there. And this is the bathroom. Maganda yung bathroom nila kasi may bidin siya. Ayun. At yung shower niya. Ayun, may shampoo siya. May body gel, body wash. Andyan yung blower niya. It's very comfy here. Ayan yung kanyang... Literally, hindi kami nagpalinis ng 2 days. This is the fridge. May small fridge. Ayun. And, may ano dito ha. Meron dong locker din. May safe. And hindi kami nagpa-cleaning kasi ayaw namin. So, ayan lang siya. Ang laki niya for... Yeah, not sure how much kung magkano itong inanoan dito. Yan. Very comfy, spacious, tsaka malinis. And the breakfast is very nice. It's very good. I will be posting the breakfast also, the meal. Thank you. Bye-bye. Here at the lobby. Hi, Bebe. Where are you going? Salmon Lake. So we're gonna have a breakfast here. Wow, it's delicious. Yeah, maganda yung menu nila today. Kahapon kasi, parang ano... okay. So let's go. Let's have some meal. Actually, it opens at 6:30.